So I was talking to a chair recently who was seeking to appoint a director to his board, and he asked me what I thought of that individual director. My response wasn't about that individual, but it was about a more proactive question, and that is, what are the gaps you're seeking to fill? And this is a trap I commonly see boards fall into. They look to the individual, not starting with the logical place, which is, who do we need around our table? What have we got and where are the gaps? And of course, a board composition matrix is the way that typically boards do that. So I thought I'd talk about what makes for a good board composition matrix. And you might know I use the word composition, not skills matrix, quite deliberately, and I'll explain why. So I think to be useful, a board composition matrix has got to have three parts to it. The first part is the industry and professional skills that need to be held collectively by the board. And so that might be skills around finance, capital raising, strategic human resource management, advocacy, and then whatever industry the particular company operates in. The second part of the matrix is around diversity criteria and other non-skills based criteria. So that might be diversity around age, culture, gender. It might be about geographic location of directors. It might be about independence from family or from industry, depending on the nature of the company. In advanced boards, it might also be cognitive diversity, that is, different thinking preferences of individuals around the table. And again, that's a collective consideration. And so the third part of the matrix is around personal attributes and behaviours. And it's important that all directors have these. So those might be around integrity, emotional intelligence, effective listening, constructive contribution. Because when you think about it, if you've got a director who's dogmatic, opinionated, egotistical, there's no way they're going to be able to bring the best of their skills, experience, and their diversity perspectives to bear in the boardroom table. So once you've mapped those three elements of the matrix, the industry and professional skills, the diversity and the personal attributes, then you should be able to also look at who's around your boardroom table and see where you've got those gaps. Those gaps then should inform your position description, which should inform the recruitment of your next director. So hopefully that's some useful insights into how to get a good placement of a director on your board.